welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And we finally have some more information about the Boxyluxe box. Boxycharm posted a video today, just a couple hours ago, and they showed the entire box and also gave us some information about the variants. So you may have already seen the entire box online. Let's take a look at it. I will post it right about here. And there are a bunch of products that we're already aware of that are in there. The PYT mini hair dryer, the Tarte palette, the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow serum, which has a value of $58. And we also have, it shows the body butter here, but we were shown a variant today. And a living proof hair product. So we already knew that we were getting a Tarte palette, and we knew that it would either be the Pro Glow and Blush. I'll insert some photos up here. And the Pro Glow and Blush has 4 shimmery blush shades, 1 highlighter and 1 bronzer. And this is a product that they sell at Ulta, and I think it was on sale for half price maybe in the past week. And then the other face palette was the Pro Glow, and that one has 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, 2 bronzers. And I found out today that that's an exclusive to Boxycharm. It was previously referred to as V3, version 3, maybe Bliss V3. And then we were sent an email in May asking us whether we would prefer getting that face palette or getting a round eye palette from Tarte if we were getting Boxyluxe. They were giving us that choice. And in my case, first of all, I'm only on the Boxyluxe waiting list, but still they sent me that email. And my choice was the round eye palette, and that was just because that I don't really lean towards the shimmery blushes, although I love Tarte blushes in general. But we got a little more information about that eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette is called Be You Naturally. And it is a shimmer and matte palette. There are warms and cools in it. Now, the other product that we all know that we're going to get, that's a definite, is the PYT mini hair dryer. It is a 2-setting hair dryer, and it comes in 4 colors. It comes with 2 attachments. One is a concentrating nozzle, and then one is a diffuser. It also comes with a travel bag that I saw in some photos online, although I don't know if I'll be able to find a photo of that travel bag by the time I have to edit this. But there is a travel bag. It's black. It has a drawstring top, which I think is perfect to go along with the travel hair dryer. Also, we're going to get the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow, and that is an AHA resurfacing type serum. It's also moisturizing. The retail for that is $58. And I was in Sephora 2 days ago and tried it out on the back of my hand. I smelled it, and I didn't really smell any detectable scent. There may be some scent to it, but I really couldn't even notice any. So I think this will appeal to most people. So there won't be a florally scent or a citrus scent, and one might turn some customers off, one might turn the other customers off. So I think that the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow is a great addition to the box. Now, the product that you see on the right hand side is a 5-ounce container of body butter, and that is by the company M Greengrass, and you can see their products at mgreengrass.com. They have candles and they have body butters, and the retail value of this body butter is $24. So the video that was shown today by Boxycharm told us that the variant to the body butter would be Skin and Company, which is an Italian brand, Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. And this has a $35 value. So you will either get the body butter or you will get the Skin and Company Truffle Radiant Dew Mist. The next product will also be a variation item. It will be a Living Proof hair care product, and that will either be the Full Dry Volume Blast, which is an aerosol and may not be able to ship to island areas like Hawaii or Puerto Rico. That was the issue for the skincare box with the Caudalie Grape Aerosol Mist. You might remember that. But the Living Proof item will either be the Full Dry Volume Blast, which is an instant lasting volume and texture product, styling and finishing spray basically, or the Living Proof Full Thickening Cream. And the size of the Dry Volume Blast is 7.5 ounces, and the Full Thickening Cream is 3.7 fluid ounces. And what was described in the Boxycharm video was that you really only need a small amount of the Full Thickening Cream, that a little bit goes a long way. So the 3.7 ounce bottle is expected to last a fair amount of time for you. There will also be the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence, and this is an interesting product. I'm going to insert a photo right up here. It seems to have a clear plastic tip. I can't tell if it's glass or if it's just plastic, and then the formula comes out in a clear liquid. It's called an essence, but it has also been referred to as an oily feeling. I don't know. It's an interesting product. I have no experience with it, so we're gonna have to see how that product is. And the Dr. Brandt Skincare Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll retails for $35. This was previewed by Boxycharm when they went to Coachella. It is 3.5 ounces and at Sephora. It has 5 stars, but it only has 3 reviews. So it's a new product and we will have to see how we like it. Also shown in this box is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. That has a retail value of $17. And I researched this morning and I saw that there were 4 shades available. That is also seems to be a new product since it doesn't have reviews on some of the shades at all. It has 4 shades, but what we found out today from the Boxycharm video was that we will have 2 shades available for us. Those shades are Strawberry Lemonade, and this is a gloss. It does not appear to be glittery at all. Or Peach Tea. I'll put that one up here. And the Boxycharm people said that it definitely smells like lemon. And when I looked at the ingredients indicated that it had limonene. So I was interested in that. This was before I saw the video. I wanted to know if the product smelled like lemonade, why it was named lemonade. So I looked it up. Limonene is a chemical found in the peels of citrus fruits and in other plants. This is according to WebMD online. It is used to make medicine. Limonene is used to promote weight loss, prevent cancer, treat cancer, and treat bronchitis. Okay, someone needs to come up with that. Someone needs to come up with either a cancer-fighting lip gloss, which would be amazing, of course, or a weight loss lip gloss. Okay, someone should get on that. In foods, beverages, and chewing gum, limonene is used as a flavoring. So not only will the lemonade lip gloss smell like lemons, there's a pretty good chance it's going to taste like lemons too. And I think that's fun. I think that's going to be super fun for the summer. And the 9th product is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Now this mascara is very interesting because if you look at the top, there's a little flip mechanism that if you flip it over, it then has a tiny little, it's about this big, little lash curler that is one of those press plastic lash curler. So you're just getting close to your eye, you press it, and then you can take the whole wand and then apply your mascara. It's a very, very interesting type of packaging. And our friends at Boxycharm told us that it is great for length and volume, and we'll have to see how that one goes. So that is the latest information I have on Boxyluxe. If you're still on the wait list, let me know down below in the comments when you join the wait list, because I joined I think April 15th, and I'm still on the wait list. So I'm wondering if people from February are just getting on the list now, or is it really backlogged so that the people in January are just getting off the Boxyluxe wait list now? I don't know. So if any of you guys know, I'd really appreciate if you could indicate down in the comments when you signed up and when you got off the Boxyluxe wait list. A bunch of us are on it. I'm on it. And we're all impatient. We want Boxyluxe. So if you could help us out, that'd be great. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I hope you guys are having a great day. We finally have gotten a day that actually feels like summer here in New England, and we are enjoying it. So have a great day, guys, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.